Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to 𝗂𝗃𝗁𝗿 Official. My name is 𝗵𝗲𝗿. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this amazing spaghetti. What if I told you that this spaghetti was made without any oil, it's completely vegan and it's quick to make? You don't believe me? Let me share it with you how I did it. You will find this recipe only here. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. To make this spaghetti we need only 3 ingredients. So we have basil pesto here. I have shown you in my earlier video how to make basil pesto. You can see the recipe in the description box below. This basil pesto here is made without oil. We have 1 whole avocado and we have 14 to 15 chopped pistachios. Also I have this regular spaghetti. You can also use whole wheat spaghetti if you want to make it a healthier version of this recipe. So let's get started with our first step. So let's begin our first step. So I have around 70 grams of spaghetti and we have our boiling water over here. So we will add our spaghetti into it. Now always remember, do not snap your spaghetti into 2. No, that's not the right way to do it. So slowly and steadily revolve your spaghetti. Make it soft. As you can see, it's turning, it's bending. Now we'll put it slowly into the pan. So as you can see, our spaghetti is into the pan. So while our spaghetti is getting boiled, we will move to our next step, that is make our sauce. So we will add our pesto and let it simmer on a low heat. So after 10 minutes our spaghetti is ready. So let's transfer our spaghetti into the pan. So let me remind you guys that this recipe is without oil. We haven't used a single drop of oil in this recipe. So now we will quickly squeeze some lime juice in our avocado and add a little bit of red paprika. Give it a nice mix. So our avocados are done and so is our spaghetti. Now it's time to do our final plating. So our spaghetti is ready to be eaten without any guilt. You saw how much fun it was and it's so easy to make. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And before you go, I'll be bringing a lot of vegan recipes to you. So stay tuned until next time.